Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You might have a crown over a molar that rarely shows except when you yawn widely, or you might have crowns on your front teeth that were specifically designed to match your other teeth. Yes, today's topic is dental crown. I am Dr. Saliha from Odontocare Dental Clinic. Let's get into the topic. A crown is basically a cap for a damaged tooth. It can be made from a variety of materials including metal or porcelain. Cost, strength, durability are important to consider when choosing a crown. Different kinds of material can be used in crowns including porcelain, ceramic, zirconia, metal, composite resin and a combination of materials. When selecting the material for your crown, your dentist will consider factors such as your tooth's location, how much of the tooth will show when you smile, position of your gum tissue, function of the tooth that needs the crown, how much natural tooth is remaining, and the color of the surrounding teeth. You can also talk with your dentist about your personal preference. Let's see what is temporary crown. A temporary crown is exactly what it sounds like. It's a crown that will only remain in your mouth for a short period of time. Your dentist will place it over your tooth with an adhesive that's easily removed, so it won't be as strong as a permanent crown. This is done while you are waiting for a permanent crown to be made. The permanent crown will be placed on your tooth at a second appointment. Another type is one-day crown. You can get a crown in a single appointment. Some dental offices offer same-day crown installations using one of the several methods involving computer-aided design or computer-aided manufacturing, that is CAD/CAM. Another type is onlay or 3/4 crown. Some crowns only cover a portion of tooth. If you don't need a full crown, your dentist might suggest an onlay or 3/4 crown instead. Crowns are recommended following a root canal on a tooth because the tooth is more fragile and needs protection. You may also need a crown if your tooth is severely worn down, cracked, or weakened. Once the crown is in, it's important to take good care of it. Careful attention to your crown can prolong its life. Practice careful brushing, flossing daily, avoid hard foods. If you grind or clench your teeth at night, your dentist may recommend a night guard to protect your crown and surrounding teeth. Okay friends, I hope this video is useful. Subscribe to Dr. Odontocare for more interesting videos. Thank you.